I was standing in the ashes of a broken little dream, holding on to shattered mirrors, scared of what they'd really mean. Every hallway felt like thunder, every shadow wore my name. I kept dancing with the silence while the world went up in flames. Heavy oceans filled my chest, I could barely stay afloat. Every word I never shouted sat like stones inside my throat. But the fire in my heartbeat kept on calling through the dark, like a lighthouse in the distance, sending signals to my heart.